us 365 days, 365 mornings to wake up, 365 nights to return to Him. Now pause for a moment. How many of those mornings did we wake up without remembering Allah? How many nights did we sleep without saying astaghfirullah? The new year arrived silently. It didn't knock on the door. It didn't ask permission. It just came, and it brought a message. Your time is decreasing. Some people who were with us last year are not here today. They also said, I'll pray later. I'll change next year. I still have time. But their next year never came. Their alarms still ring, but they don't wake up. Their phones still have messages, but they don't reply. Their beds are empty, and their graves are full, and you are still breathing. That is not luck, that is mercy. Allah is still giving you time because He wants you to return. In Islam, a successful new year is not about happiness. It is about forgiveness, not about celebration.